In PX Plus 2014, we introduced 3 new web services that can be used to return data from your system. These services can be integrated with other web-based applications using the wide variety of data output available. In this video, we will demonstrate how to use the Query web service. To gain access to the web service, a web server needs to be activated. Either EasyWeb, Apache, or IIS can be used. We will be using EasyWeb, and we will set it to use port 8888, although this port number can be modified to suit your needs. We will use the country query that is found in our BizApps application. If we go into our screen designer, we will use the QCountry query that has already been created. If we go into the query definition, you can see that this query is made up of 3 columns: country code, country name, and currency code. We now go into the browser and enter the syntax for this web service. Once entered, the query will now display in our browser. Now let's review each of the components required for this web service. As you can see, we are using localhost and port 8888. The next section identifies the type of web service. QRY.pxp is our query web service. The next section identifies the name of our query definition. The next section identifies the name of the screen library where the query definition is located. And finally, we need to identify the output type. In this example, we are using HTML as the output. Now let's review all the other outputs available. One of the output types available is CSV. You can have your web service downloaded to a CSV file. Another output type is PDF. If you choose, you can have your data returned in an XML format. And finally, the Query web service will also support JSON files. As you can see, the Query web service is a powerful feature in PX Plus 2014. All you have to do is build a query, and now your application is open to other web-based applications. Web services are the building blocks to future web development in PX Plus.